I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. I'm just going to do one brow. I use the dark brown color of the Crayons Case Eyebrow Pomade. So you're going to use, and I have their eyebrow brush, which comes with a spoolie and a flat brush. So you're going to use the flat side to first draw out, follow your eyebrows. As you can see, my eyebrows are different. One has a higher arch than the other one, but it's okay. You just want to follow the natural guideline of your eyebrow, not focusing on the front, but more of the end, because you don't want to put too much color on the front. Basically, I'm just adding some more darkness to it. You know, you do the color based on how you like it to do. And once you're done that, you're going to flip the brush and use the spoolie to give the front part kind of a fade. And you want to just keep doing it until you get the desired fade out effect that you like. Once you've done this, you're going to take some concealer and just clean it up. You're going to line up the bottom and also the top, and it's going to give it a very clean, crisp look. Trying to get some of that color out so it won't be such a harsh line. So you just want to take your brush and keep pushing the color towards, you know, the other parts of your face until it all blends in. Now I'm just going back and cleaning it up with some more eyebrow pomade, and you just want to redefine that line again, and basically we finished.